Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix your login error in a Tinder account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, if you do have a Tinder account and you're having a problem logging in and lots of errors during logging in, I'm here to help you on how to fix your login errors simply. So the very first thing, if you're having problem with it, all I'm going to suggest you is to go to your Play Store, and if you already do have this installed or you want to search, maybe you can tap here Tinder and you can see that you have an option of simply open. But since if your account hasn't been updated, we have been facing such problems. Alright, so you will simply get a tap on Tinder just like this, and somewhere if your app is not really updated, you would get an option of updating simply. But since my Tinder app is of the new version and it's been updated as well, so I'm not getting such options. Basically this was not a problem over here, but if you do have it, you can even tap on update option. Okay, you'll get it over here and then you can update it to fix such. And the next one for you is, if it's not solved like this, all you can do is go to your setting option on your mobile phone, just scroll it down below, tap on apps. Okay, go to apps and then tap on manage app just below system app settings. Here you can search for your preferred app by going to search and tapping over here Tinder. And now you can see that you do have an option of clearing the data just next to uninstall. Just tap on it, so you can see either you can clear all data or clear cache. Simply you can tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Clear cache will give you a facility of deleting your unwanted residues. Alright, and this will help your app to run better. So this could be another way to really fix your login error. And simply, even after this, if you do have again the same problem, all you can do is uninstall your Tinder app and then reinstall it again. Alright, so this will give you lots of options and this will make your app go fresh so that you can log in and use it with all an ease. So this is how you do it. I do have told you all of the 3 solutions for fixing your login errors. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you in the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.